Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittnee, 2 T's, 2 E's, no A's, no Y's. Hey. And today I'll be showing you how I do my fluffy twists. So I am super excited to be doing another YouTube video. I haven't uploaded in literally years, and I'm so glad to be back, and I plan to continue to do some more videos aside from the singing, but more of the DIYs and just experiments that I've been doing in my life. So here is my fluffy twist rendition, and I started out by doing the circumference of my hair because I knew that it was going to take me a long time, and this particular style took me about 3 days to finish. I didn't do it non-stop. I stopped and went out, had to do, my life things, but it was really convenient for me to put it up in a bun and come back and just pick up where I left off. And what also helped me a lot was my prep for this. After washing and conditioning my hair, I sectioned my hair off into really big sections, probably about 6 sections throughout my hair, and within the 6 sections I created parts of the braids that I want. So each time I got to a new section, all I had to do was just pull a piece out and it was already sectioned off for me. So that really helped and made it easier. And I will say that this is actually my second time doing an individual braid style on myself. So I've really learned throughout the process that prepping my hair really helps. So for this style, I chose this Kadi hair or KD hair. I chose to use their spring twist. They did have other styles. And on the box, it does say for professional only. I didn't let that stop me, of course. And so it took me a while to get the hang of how to separate the hair, and I guess that's why they say for professionals only, but you'll get the hang of it, and hopefully this video can help you. But the hair was very soft, very soft, very bouncy, just very close to what our natural hair looks like, and feels like. So I started out by stretching the hair. So next, I found the middle of each piece because I wanted to get 2 braids out of each piece. Now this part is really important that you do a clean pull so that it does not tangle. As you can see, I was a little nervous because I trashed like 10 pieces already because I kept messing up, but that's okay. And I went ahead and just prepped the hair and just had it sitting so that it would be easier for me to just grab and go. So this next part is my jam. You get it? It's my jam. But yes, I choose to use jam at the base of my braid. This helps with it looking cleaner and also just with grip, in my opinion. You don't have to use jam, but I choose to use jam. And what I like to do is make sure that the gel goes around all 4 sides of the part, just to make sure that I don't pull any hair from other places that shouldn't be there. So once the gel is on your hair, you can go ahead and grab your braiding hair, making sure that it's nice and straight, and go ahead and hold it right in the middle just so that you have 2 even sides. So this next part, you're going to do the 3-strand braid technique. If you don't know how to braid, you may want to look at a video before this so that you know how to do the 3-strand braiding. Your hair is going to be considered one of the 3 strands, and the braiding hair is going to be number 2 and number 3. And so you're just going to braid it down just a little bit because most of the braid, you don't want it to be a braid. You want it to be a twist. But you want to make sure that it's nice and tight at the base. Make sure that the hair is not tangling as you go. So after you've twisted about a 1/2 inch down, you want to take your piece of hair and split it into 2 so that you now have 2 pieces instead of 3 pieces so that you can start your twist. And I like to twist each piece as I twist each piece together. And I really hope that made sense. But the point of this is just to create some tension so that the transition from the braid to twist is very smooth. And also make sure that you run your hand down the braiding hair so that it does not get tangled. So each time I start out my twist, I do still have that tension where I'm pulling just a little bit, but I am going to shake my shoulders. There we go. And that's the point in which I kind of let loose a little bit, and I let the curl just do its own thing. I'm not pulling hard at all anymore. I'm just making sure that I'm neatly twisting because this hair already is naturally curly, so I didn't want to pull all the curls out. And there may be little pieces that stick out, and that's still fine. You can always cut those off, burn those off, or just leave them because they look natural. You also want to run your fingers down the ends of the hair just to make sure that you keep them nice and separated and that you don't have any knots and tangles. Definitely want to make sure that you're twisting all the way to the end, just so that it can look nice and neat and that you have that little cute curl at the end. And voila, there you have it. There is the fluffy twist. And I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time. I am going to speed it up though, just so that you can see again how I do this process. So you have to be willing to spend that amount of time on your hair and in order to get the look that you want. But I'm very pleased with my hair. Like I said, this is my second time doing a individual braid style. First time doing the fluffy twist. This particular brand of hair is called Catty, whatever it is. Anyways, so the Catty, whatever it's called hair is very soft. It was $12.99 per pack. I used 4 packs, but not all of the 4 packs. This is what I have left of the last bunch of hair. There's some of the 4 mixed in with the T1B30. That's the other color I used, and 4. So I really hope this encourages you to go out and do it yourself and don't just spend $200 plus.
So sorry.
You have a video, right? Yeah, sorry. Okay. So sorry, I'll be ready. Both of my brothers. Okay.
So I hope this video encourages you to get out there and try it. Try it yourself. Don't be just relying on the professionals, because you are professionals in you, and you can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. You just need the time and of course the materials to do it. Just do it. Oh, and I'll show you how long this is. With it down pretty long. So if you don't want it that long, again, just cut the strands in half. And I'll probably do another video on how I style this hair, just because it's so versatile. I can do so many things with it.
I probably won't leave it down as much, just because I don't like the way it looks on me, but it's cute still, but I prefer it up, and it's hot on my neck, so
yeah, it's a lot of hair. I'll pull over to the front. You can see, ooh, it's a lot of hair, but it's not heavy. It's really light, really bouncy. This is all the hair. And I can even show you guys the back. It probably looks worse back here because I'm really bad at doing the back of my own hair, and I don't have time for that. But shout out to my boyfriend. He came over to help me. He did a few braids. Thank you, babe. I love you. He's a real one. He did a lot of the back and the middle for me. Taught him how to do it. If he can do it, you can do it. No shade. But yeah, I'm really pleased, and I really hope that you get out there and you try it. Just try it and just see what you do. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be super tight. Like, mine are not tight to my scalp, as you can see. It's kind of loose, but that's okay. It's my preference is to be loose, because I don't like.
When I used to go get my hair done at the braid shops, they used to pull my eggs back all the way to the ground. I mean, I know y'all know that feeling, or what that looks like, and I hated that, and that's another video, but yeah.
I like this because I have the control. I have control of how big they are, how small they are, how long they are, without getting charged for more.
How long? You know how they do. If you want it longer, there's way more money than if you want it just shorter, so.
I mean, you have the freedom to do what you want, how you want, again, the tension, there's no tension on my scalp. It doesn't hurt, none of that. So, thank you for watching, and go out there and do it. If you want to do, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. No, I'm deleting this. I'm deleting this.
So yeah.
Why do you have 2 sandwiches?
Because I'm hungry.
Jonathan, go.
Say hi. I'm so sorry. So sorry. So sorry. What's up? Can you put the something in the dryer?
So you knew I was doing a video, right?